Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to solve the exercise of unit number 11, transport in humans. Question number 1, multiple choice questions. First statement, the human circulatory system is an example of a option A, single circulation, option B, double circulation, option C, triple circulation, option D, quadruple circulation. The correct option is B, double circulation. Second statement, what organ pumps blood through the circulatory system? A, brain, option B, heart, option C, kidneys, option D, lungs. The correct option is B, heart. Statement number 3, which type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Option A, artery, B, capillary, C, vein, D, all of the above. The correct option is A, artery. Statement number 4, why is the blood that flows from the lungs to the heart bright red rather than dark red? Option A, carbon dioxide makes it red. Option B, oxygen makes it red. Option C, lungs add more red coloring to the blood. Option D, lungs filter the dark blood. The correct option is B, oxygen makes it red. Statement number 5, what is circulatory system? Option A, a digestive system. Option B, a breathing system. Option C, a nervous system. Option D, a transport system. The correct option is D, a transport system. Question number 2, true or false? First statement, the human circulatory system is called a double circulation. This statement is true. Second statement, the left side of the heart pumps blood to the lungs. This is false statement. Third statement, arteries have thick muscular walls to cope with the high pressure of the blood as it leaves the heart. This statement is also true. Fourth statement, veins are narrower than arteries and have thinner walls. This is a false statement because veins are wider than arteries. Fifth statement, capillaries have walls in them to keep blood flowing in the right direction. This is false statement. Question number 3, use the words from the list to fill the gaps in the passage. Word list is away, capillaries, high, low, muscular, thin, tissues, valves, veins, white. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. They have thick muscular walls to cope with the high pressure of the blood as it leaves the heart. Arteries divide into smaller tubes called capillaries, which spread through the tissues of the body. This makes sure blood gets to every cell. The walls of these blood vessels are very thin, so materials can pass between the blood and the cells. Blood is carried back to the heart by veins. These are white and have thinner walls than the arteries. This is because the blood pressure is low and the blood flows slowly. These blood vessels have valves to keep the blood flowing in the right direction. Question number 4. The diagram represents the blood circulatory system in humans. Beta, this is the diagram and it represents the blood circulatory system in humans. Question number part 1. Describe the route taken by the blood cells from the moment it leaves the right side of the heart on its way to the lungs until it returns to the heart from the body. Beta, the answer will start from this line up to this line. Question number 4, part 2. Explain why this system is called a double circulatory system. The answer is on page number 144 and it will start from this line up to this line. Question number 4, part 3. It takes 30 seconds for a blood cell to travel once round the circulatory system. Calculate how many times a blood cell goes round the body in one day. The answer is one circulation takes place in 30 seconds and in 1 minute there will be 2 circulations, and in 1 hour there will be 120 circulations, and the number of in order to get the number of circulation in 24 hours, we will multiply 120 with 24 and we get 2880 circulation in one day. Thank you.